Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the OSMO Pocket and waiting for the gimbal to finish its warm-up and stabilization routine. This prevents drift while zooming. Once done, set the camera into the desired mode: video for moving shots, photo for framing, because zoom behavior changes by mode. Make sure you're steady. Mount on a tripod or hold with both hands to reduce microshake. Finally, open the DJI Mimo app or use the touchscreen so the zoom interface is available and ready to control. You now perform the zoom. Pinch on the Pocket's touchscreen for immediate, tactile control, or open DJI Mimo and use the zoom slider for finer increments. The app gives more precision and preview. Make gradual movements, quick jerks amplify shake, and digital zoom magnifies noise, so use slow, steady finger motion or preset speed settings when available. If the footage looks noisy, make sure your resolution and bitrate settings match your goal, because higher zoom amplifies sensor limits and compression artifacts. Once the framing and zoom level are where you want them, lock autofocus and exposure so the camera doesn't shift during recording. This keeps exposure jumps and refocus hunting from ruining the clip. You should then record using a slow push or tripod pan to maintain smooth motion, and review the image at 100% to confirm sharpness. If you see lag, stutter, or blurred frames, reboot the Pocket, check for firmware updates, reattach or calibrate the gimbal, and confirm your SD card. Write speed meets recommended spec.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.